how you can make over $700 US per day with ClickBank affiliate marketing. So as you can see here on my screen, right, I'm making, as you can see, with low ticket affiliate offers, especially in diabetes space, weight loss, diet space, manifestation niche, right? Over here you can see 470 euros, 120 euros, 119 euros, right? So basically, let's say around 800 US dollars per day. So how this exactly works, let me show you over here so that you can get step-by-step details of how you can copy and paste the same easy and simple method that will help you to generate these kind of results, okay? So the most important thing over here is what most ClickBank gurus will not share with you is this, right? They will share to you exactly this, which is create Google ads or Facebook ads or YouTube ads which will make people curious enough to click on your ads. So what they tell you is curiosity, right? Being curious creates money, sales, which is a big fat lie. Why? Because imagine this. If someone make you curious, right? You're curious. You see the Facebook ad, you see the image, which is really, really weird, but attention getting. You click on the image. But what will happen on the next page is you will not buy. You will not use your credit or debit card to purchase the MaxWeb or ClickBank product, right? So you need the buyer's intent behind all the clicks. That's the big secret there is, right? That's the secret. You need intent behind all these clicks on your YouTube ads, Facebook ads, or Google ads. Now, with most courses online, the investment is 3,000 US dollars. You have a pay for extra upsells for software, hundreds of dollars per month. You need to pay for tracking softwares, upsells, $10,000 to $15,000 per month for different coaching programs, right? And ads, right? So it can add up easily up to $10,000 to $20,000 per month in additional payments, right? So what I would tell you, if you're a beginner watching this video, if you want to really get the results, or you're already making $100 to $500 per day, what I'm going to tell you is this, right? You need to have someone who will guide you through step by step, along the way, one-on-one, hand-holding you over the Zoom calls and show exactly how things are properly done, right? That's really important thing, you know? Now, what is number one reason most people fail with affiliate marketing on ClickBank is because there is no depth. There is no sharing about low emotional states, high emotional states, right? High emotional states, people tend to buy more expensive high ticket products. Low emotional states buy ClickBank low ticket offers. And you need to know the copywriting part, what words to use, what language to use with your ads, your pre-sale pages on ClickFunnels, right? All this is important because why? Imagine this. If you make only one sale per day for 150 US dollars per day, you're making well over $4,500 per month in profit. Now, if you add the upsell take rate on ClickBank, you can make a lot more. You can make over $20,000 per month, right? So you need unfair advantage. And the only thing you can do this, the only way you can achieve this success, right, is to have someone who will help you along the way, one-on-one, right? That's the thing that works. So people, remember this thing, okay? People do not buy when they are in problem state. They buy when they are in the solution state. So the key to make your Facebook ads or YouTube ads work is to get people, the audiences that you have, in the problem state first, and then, my friend, this is the secret, okay? Turn them into a solution state. So all of your competition on ClickBank is fighting for low-hanging fruits, right? In the solution states, aka 97%, as I said before, of MaxWeb or ClickBank affiliates. So if you wanna be a super affiliate, make over $200,000 or euro per year or more, that's the secret. You need to have someone who will help you along the way, so you can make a lot more sales with ClickBank affiliate marketing as a beginner, and also create really, really good results. So, right, remember this, once your ad makes sales, your click cost will be less, your cost per acquisition, CPA, will cost less, and your average order value will go up, right? So means you can double, triple your affiliate marketing online business. So my funnel in the past was like, for example, Facebook ads. I sent out to the pre-sale page, to a VSL offer, but it didn't change until I decided to focus on the setting up a back-end proper upsells. So upsell take rate went high, and yeah, that's how you can make $1,000 to $5,000 a day in profit as a super affiliate with affiliate marketing, right? So as you're watching this video, what you can do next is you can connect with me on my YouTube channel here. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can like this video, leave the comments below, subscribe to my Instagram channel, right? You can DM me on my Instagram. You can also let me know on my Facebook. You can give me a call on WhatsApp, but only if you're really serious. Like if you really want to get results, if you have minimum 1,000 to 10,000 US dollars, this will be something that will actually help you. So you can find me over here on my Instagram, right? And we can connect together and start having really, really great results.